house was quiet for a while, like it forgot how to feel alive. I kept the lights on through the night, just trying to make it through. Some days felt like a heavy coat, too much weight I couldn't throw. But even storms run out of sky if you just let them move. I didn't know how strong I was till I had nothing left to prove. After the rain, the air feels different, clearer than it's ever been. I'm not the same as I was back then, but I'm still breathing in. Every scar tells a story, every tear washed something clean. After the rain, I see the light shining back at me. I've driven roads I didn't choose, watched some dreams come unglued, thought the silence meant the end of everything I knew. But morning finds you anyway, even when you hide away. And hope is quiet, not a shout, it just waits inside of you. I didn't know how far I'd come till I looked back at where I'd been. After the rain, the air feels different, clearer than it's ever been. I'm not the same as I was back then, but I'm still breathing in. Every scar tells a story, every tear washed something clean. After the rain, I see the light shining back at me. No, it don't mean I won't stumble, don't mean I won't fall apart, but I've learned how to stand back up with a steady heart. After the rain, the world feels open, like it's giving me a chance to step outside the shadow and finally take a stand. Every scar tells a story, every tear set me free. After the rain, I found the strength that was always in me. After the rain, I'm still